imamo kakšen piknik ali zabavo.
Namensko kurvo stvari in da gre na njegov pogreb.
Ja, če ni narave, ni nič. Ne?
There is no routine. Every day is different, a lot of flexibility. And also I like when workers bring sweet in the kitchen.
Delo na terenu po vsej Sloveniji na zanimivih različnih objektih z različno opremo.
Da non-stop se radi, non-stop imaš šta da se radi. Ljudi su različiti, zanimljivi i stručni.
Yeah, just because ZAG has exceptional research and laboratory facilities, along with a multicultural and multidisciplinary research team, which is very important.
Ker me je pritegnila znanost in tehnologija laboratorijev.
Videla sem oglas in se podala v neznano in še danes uživam pri delu.
This big company in Croatia, where we could see the whole process to transform rocks into wool.
Simply my first conference in the US. I remember the fear and anxiety before presenting in front of a huge auditorium full of experts, but also the huge pride after it.
Zaradi testa smo zaprli most in se je pojavil voznik, ki je na vsak način želel prečkati in je rekel, da potuje na direktorjev pogreb.
After running a fire experiment in a timber room, I remember that I extinguished the fire with water and then I left the lab, and the following day I went to the lab and the whole room was gone.
Još malo i tu je odbrana doktorske disertacije.
The prestigious Marie Skłodowska-Curie Fellowship that financed my research for 2 years.
Ukvarjati se z nečem, kar pripomore k boljši prihodnosti za splošno prebivalstvo, ne samo za peščico.
Rada bi razširila ekipo na področju analizne kemije.
Giving my contribution in making future buildings both sustainable and also fire safe.
Ogromno je znanja, izkušenj, opreme, idej in ljudi, ki so res dobri v tem, kar delajo.
Znanje, tehnologija in arhiv.
Great research equipment and also a great team, so it's very nice to go to work every day.
A je to? Ok, gremo na teren.